In this video, we'll cover the entire provisioning process for SAVI Glass, using your own iPad or other tablet. Note that your SAVI server will need to be on version 3.5 or later to use these features, and that your Glass device must be on the network with access to your SAVI server. To begin, open your browser of choice on the tablet, and in the address bar, navigate to your SAVI server IP /glass. You should see a 6-digit code appear. This means your device is communicating with SAVI and is ready to be linked to a Glass device in your project. If you don't have a Glass device in the project yet, select the SAVI Glass driver in the Equipment tab. Be sure to give it a unique name and set the appropriate location. You can also select a Glass view, but if you haven't made any yet, you can come back later to make the selection after they've been made. For reference, Glass views are created in the System Controls section. For help with this process, see our Glass View Quick Guide video, which is listed in the description below. We also recommend entering the static IP of your tablet to help maintain a more reliable connection. Once the Glass device is in the project, you can now proceed to the Canvas Edit page to link it. First, click on the Glass section. To quickly find the Glass device you want to link, you can use the Other filter on the left to show only your Glass devices, or you can use the search field to find the exact one you're looking for. Now just click the Glass device you want to link, look through the list of codes on the right, and find the matching code shown on the device's screen. Select it and click Link. If you do have a completed Glass view and it's already been selected for this device, it'll automatically load once the linking process is complete. Keep in mind that browsers and tablets of different brands have various settings that will affect how Glass View is displayed on the screen. For this reason, we recommend tablets and browsers that have reliable full screen options. The iPad I'm looking at has a feature where sending a bookmark to the desktop, then opening it, will load the URL in full screen, which is perfect for Glass View. You should be all set to use your newly provisioned SAVI Glass device. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.